All right. Again, welcome. This is our first installment of Gizmos and Gadgets. Now, as you can see, I got a few things laid out here. The most important thing whenever you're doing any type of cooking project, you want a sharp knife. Always remember, sharp knives hurt the least and cut the quickest. That being said, we've got a few sharpeners here. All of these are available on Amazon, and we'll put a link in down at the bottom showing you where to get them. This is just Smith's. It's just a little thing that I carry with me in my knife case. I'll show you that. The one I've had the best luck with is the Orange Ninja. These things are incredible. They start off coarse, medium, fine. We're going to sharpen this little paring knife for you so you'll know what we're doing and can see what we're doing, and I'll show you the effects thereof. So here we go. Let's get started. Coarse first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll go to medium. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can actually feel it taking the metal off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's set at 18 degrees. That is sharp enough to do anything we want to do with it, probably a little bit more. We've also got this little bugger. This is oval shaped, diamond encrusted sharpening stone, or butcher steel. And if you really want to put an edge on it, if you get used to doing this and learn how to do it properly, you can make these things so sharp you could practically shave with them. I'm not that good, but it can be done. That being said, we're going to show you very, very briefly. This is one of my knives. I got this from a box store. If y'all are familiar with them, Sam's Club, again, we'll put a link in for it. I've got this one. I use this every day. And then over here, just to show you, I've got my chef knives. So do you have to have all these? No. Do they come in handy? Absolutely. Various sizes. This right here is a slicing knife, boning knife, butcher knives, etc. I use them all. It depends on where I'm cooking, what I'm cooking. But for the most part, the one that I just showed you and that we're going to work with now is the one I use every day. Again, they're not terribly expensive compared to what your super chefs use, but they definitely do the job. They'll hold an edge, and at the end of the day, we're just looking to get stuff good and sharp, so we can do what we're in here to do. So here goes. We're going to start off with the coarse. Medium. Don't ask me why I go 5 times. I really don't know. It just works well. And then the fine. And that, yep, that right there should be enough to do whatever we need to do. Now, if you look very closely, you can see a few black specks. That's the actual edge of the blade being taken off. You notice there's not a whole lot of it. It doesn't need a whole lot. Remember, we're worried about the edge itself.